2 torches, weights, a couple of hooks. Those torches make me believe that he might have been smoking some drugs or found some drugs on him, or else would they take him in jail. Anything good? Like 2 small ones or what? Como una libra? Right on, brother. Ahorita voy para allá a ver si puedo agarrar de aquel lado. Yeah. Thing looks good. Even on the swim, this is a Bass Pro XPS jerkbaits. I was telling some guy about these jerkbaits. The bigger size ones with the 3 treble hooks, they run about 4 to 6 feet dead. They're suspending, even though they say 8 on this 12-pound hybrid line. They run about 4 to 6 feet deep. The 2 treble hook ones, they're just a little bit smaller than this. Those actually run at a true 8 feet depth. I feel like they run about 7 to 8 feet. And they're supposed to be, both of them say that they're 8-foot runners. But the water's real clear. As usual. The water went up down there where you see that grass in there. We're walking there. Oh, right on. Oh, that's a good one. Striper though, keeps going down. Nice. Okay, let's get this guy off before he rips himself all up. Oh, I was wondering where those waves were coming from. I see a state park police over there. Guys, I've been plagued with the SD card error issues. Last time me and Nestor, we got a bunch of fish on the other side. It was some real good action that day, and we got on them good, but my SD card kept shutting down. Every fish that it's almost like as soon as we get a fish, or Nestor for that matter, the GoPro would say SD card error, like, oh, give me an error. See, that warning must be messing with that guy because he hasn't came over here. He went into that cove. Probably gonna see if he even has a license, because the guy had some fishing poles on one side and some on the other. And people usually, when they don't have, the permits to have like a second rod, or they have more rods than they're supposed to, they put them across from them so they could watch them but not be next to them, so they could be like, oh, that's not mine. I had a warden one time tell a kid, like, whose is this? And the kid was like, oh, that's not mine. And I thought as well, I think the warden thought like, yeah, it's his, he's just denying it, but the funny thing is, he's like, oh, it's not yours. He says, okay. He picks it up, grabs it, and throws it in the vessel he was on. Just threw it in there, and it was a nice rod too. I think the kid's face was like, he just couldn't believe it that he just grabbed his rod and took off with it, and he drives away. Well, he said it wasn't his. I don't think he should care, right? There's a guy that was fishing. knew they were messing with him. Look at him. They have him in the front right there, and they're going slow. They have a life jacket on them. They're taking them back to the up there. Probably gonna, I don't know. Unless he had some type of warrant or something. Never seen him take someone. He has handcuffs, but he's handcuffed one hand to the railing, and he's sitting on the front. The guy's looking down like he's hella sad. I would be too if I was just fishing, minding my own business, and wonder if he was doing something illegal, like fishing with bait. I throw on my sweater, a flashlight, because it's getting dark. So I have to go up and down. Oh, fish on. Good one. Guess I'm not leaving so soon. Oh no. Oh, you're putting pressure. Good one. He just feels real big. The last minute he made a run for it. Hey, calm down. You're gonna break me off and take my lure. Calm down. Nice one. Sorry guys, it's all dirty from one side. If I get him without him flopping off. Nice cold largemouth. I mean striper. I wish it was a largemouth. Let's get this guy a release. Boom! What a champ. Got hit in the head by that weight. So I just reeled it in. I don't want the line out there. Fish come and get snagged. Then he has his other fishing pole right there, and I think another one over there. I don't know what he did. It looked like he was intoxicated, but plenty of people have been drunk down here and they don't take him to jail. So I don't know if he did something. I'm gonna go reel in his other line. See? I don't know what that guy did. Fishing without a license or what. He did something for them to take him to jail and leave his equipment here. Here's his other fishing rod. Spray of his. Here's his other rod. So he had 3 rods out. Here's the other rod. Here's this other rod, Berkeley Fusion. So like ocean fishing or catfish rods. Here's the guy little camp. So sad they didn't like 2 torches, weights, a couple of hooks. Those torches make me believe that he might have been smoking some drugs or found some drugs on him. Or else would they take him to jail? Because they came back here. They were here for a while. And then look at all his fishing equipment. Just a bunch of junk anyways, but still pretty messed up. Ooh. He lost all the fishing equipment, but he probably was smoking some type of drugs. When I came down here and I seen him, he looked really suspicious. Like hey, you know, he was talking to me or what, but he might have been smoking drugs. And they caught him with him. And that's why I took him to jail. But 3 poles, guys. Probably didn't even have a fishing license. All right, guys. Gotta make my way out. Hopefully a guy recovers his stuff and someone doesn't just take it. All right, fish on, guys.